Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. And if you guys are interested in knowing what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. I'm about to show you guys here on the screen some of the opportunities we found earlier this week, back on June 28th of Marin, right? MRIN, highest point of 50%. We caught XELA at 20% plus at its highest point. We caught CUEN, highest point of 80% plus on the day. This was phenomenal, probably one of the best performing opportunities of this week. And if you do the math here, just with these three right now, 150% plus opportunities in just 2 days, right? That is phenomenal. Now, it's impossible to catch the full amount, but that's what we look for. 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. So if you want to become part of this, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. So here we are with WISH Stock, ContextLogic Inc. And I've talked about this before, and I've stated how this stock is showing strength from these lows of $7 and $9, but it's also showing currently weakness, and we needed to see if this is a setup for the next bull run or actually going into further weakness, because the bears are dominating. And now it seems to be that the bears are dominating. Now, we've been below the 50-day moving average since June 29th, up here at the $14 range, and it just continues to pull back. Now, I've stated in my previous videos too, it's looking like we can possibly get closer to $10. If we break through it, we need to watch the support level down here at the $9 range. And if that gets crossed, then we would have to further see and reanalyze anything below that. But right now, $9 range is not much of a concern unless this breaks through the $10 range or gets closer to it, right? So what are we looking for going into next week and moving forward? Well, right now, the 50-day moving average is 1242. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Our support level to watch is 1144 based off the lowest point of the day. That is very important to watch carefully and see how this reacts and what goes on. And the first resistance level I would watch is 1206. If it gets broken through, the next one would be 1239. And obviously, the 50-day moving average getting crossed would show some strength that the bulls are getting out of tug-of-war zone and pushing themselves up to newer highs and new resistance levels. And then I would watch up here for this resistance of literally $13. I would just round that down. It says here 1306. Round it down to $13 for the bulls to continue pulling further away from the 50-day moving average and reach newer highs. So right now, this has been in bearish territory for some time. It's gotten close to tug-of-war zone, but right now the bears are dominating. Now I want to share with you guys another thing as well, because I've talked about it in my other videos, how a lot of people probably were starting to exit at this point because there was weakness at the $15 mark, as well as those that entered up here, those that averaged down here or entered here and took profits here or broke even at this area, and then actually making the stock go into further weakness because the outflow is more than the inflow. The average volume in the last 10 days was 154 million, and we've been around 60 to 80 million in the last several days. So we're missing like half of the total volume, and it continues to go lower as well. But another thing too that I noticed is the highest this reached was the $16 mark and also the $15 mark. And this is probably part of it as well. Analysis ratings in the average is stating 1680 in the next 12 months. The low is 12 and the high is 24. So this is where a lot of people are probably talking about it reaching $20 or going past it. This is where it's actually been rejected both times, pretty close to that, right? 15 and some change, and then up here at 1662, didn't reach 1680, but really close to it, and then missed it by $1 and some change up here. And you can see here how the low is $12, and we've headed back to that number and we're below it. So the further down this goes, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I mentioned, but the lower this goes below $12, the bigger the opportunity if it bounces back to 16 18, 20, 24, and even beyond those numbers. I've seen price targets anywhere from $30 all the way up to $60, even $70. I look forward to seeing what your price target is down below. What are your thoughts about this? And how do you feel about those analysis ratings? And what do you think about the chart? Are we going towards 10? Are we going to finally consolidate? Or this may even break through 10, head back to 9, and it's going to be very important to watch this between $9 and $7. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.